Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Here I will explain the how to sell your product in a Mbits as a Pernam wallet M coins. You will get the M coin from the this website. Okay, simply we have to process this one. For this one, you need to verify account. 50% verify or all verify. Okay, for that one you will check here you have the qualifier or not. This is the buyer and seller, the information we have. The safe zone, the profile is not or not. You will check this one. For 50% you have the pay the money of the $10 whatever it will the registration fees is there. After that you can sell the atoms. That is the sell atoms we can categorize from Mbits. We will follow the one by one methods. Okay, first of all, what is exactly the features you want to sell? I am right now using the clothing and accessory. Then next, what is a subcategory? What is exactly you use that one? After that you click on the confirmation category. Okay, after confirmation category, they need to ask that it is a new one or what is exactly, what is the title name. Sorry for lay sorry, whatever it will be there. Atom subtitle you have the appendix. Product link if we have the product link. Okay, and I am selling the sari for Indian peoples. Okay, then only for Indian peoples. Then yeah, uh, no international shipping. Okay, no international shipping. Then after that, whatever it you want to the atom description, you can enter that one. After that, you have to upload the 5 photos. Okay, we have to upload that one. Click on the upload picture. Okay, after that add the pictures whatever you want to add. Okay, I have this one. Add what is the kb, you need to verify that how much is kb is there. 250 I think so. What is exactly the kb size? Wait for a second. 2500. Okay, 2500 kb. Okay, here all the pictures we can take this all the pictures and open. Okay, and start upload. After uploading the all the images, you will show one by one images here. Okay, okay, after what is you want to default showing? Default should be this one. Okay, you need to click on the default one. Okay, after that this is a process to upload this one. Okay, size, select the drop down. Okay, okay, close. Upload the picture. Okay, and what is the cost of this starting cost of M? The I have put this M as a starting. Okay, and what is the USD? How much USD is there? You need to put that USD as that one. Okay, okay, I have to put this one as a that one. Okay, what is the start date? Start acquisition now. Okay, start date of or start date of acquisition to date itself. And custom end. What is the end of the custom date? You need to put the custom date. Okay, and the duration is I have to put the 1 week. Okay, 1 week or set the date. Okay, 1 week means 4/7. 1 week. It has 10. 1 week means 3 and 7 10. Okay, and Yes, you have set the custom date. Okay, after that custom date, automatic reply, you choose to automatic reply your occasion if no bids have been posted. No, whatever automatic repetition 1 2 if you want automatic. Okay, after the shipping cost is there, any shipping cost, shipping m, additional shipping m, no shipping fee for the potential during the value of m, buyer pay shipping expensive, seller pay shipping expensive, pickup only, buyer pay shipping expensive. This will be the two I am adding m. So if you want the adding m, you can add nitrogen. Buyer pay shipping expensive, seller pay shipping expensive. Okay, buyer pay shipping expensive, shipping condition and international shipping no. Method Parnam method payment option, and mark as a future, make bold, acquisition, hide, additional option, make feature, make bold, make highlighted. Okay, if you want the highlighter, then it will be showing this one. For this is a 4. Okay, make highlighted. Okay, and after that you have to check that one. No international shipping. Shipping. Okay, no international shipping. Okay, after that submit this one. Okay, click on the submit, and they have to see the title and all the things, photo gallery, and what is the starting price, and revise 0, and shipping fees additional, this date start acquisition, international shipping, will not ship international, no international shipping, per num pay. But it's make changes you want to change this one, otherwise you can submit. Okay, after submit, your acquisition has been set up, a confirmation event it will be sent to your mail. Okay, view the acquisitions. If you want the view acquisition, you can see the acquisitions additions. Okay, okay, this is our scenario. We have to see that one. Okay, whatever it will be there. And next things is that, oh my god, this will be okay, seller editor and actions. If you edit this one, you can edit, otherwise leave it for that one. Okay, okay, these are all the things you have to check that one. After that you have to check in control panel. Okay, you have to check control panel for the cell atom pending acquisitions. This is a pending acquisition, whatever any pending acquisition is there. For cell and atom, this is a cell and atom. Okay, we will check for the active acquisitions, your acquisitions. You can close here only. Okay, you can close here only, delete and close now. Okay, if you want to close, you can close and proceed to select the actions. Otherwise what is that one, next is that close acquisition. If you are added for close acquisition, it will be show here. And if anything pending acquisition, active acquisition means this is the active one. If this is close, it will be showing close, it will be suspended actions. If you have the suspended actions, sold atom, if you are chosen sold atom, whatever it will be there, it will be showing that case. Okay, if your any acquisition is completed, bidding is completed, then it shows in this section. Okay, okay guys, these are the information about the how to add your product in the NBIDS. Okay guys, hope you are all know the information about this. Okay guys, I want to know about this. Please comment the below section if anything is there, and we will support for that one only. Okay, thank you guys, thank you very much for the cooperation and with us. Thank you.